Bombela Fanatics yena, I'm your host Limpo Mugale. NginaBaba Mighty namuhla la. Rodman yami, game uyibone njani namuhla? I-performance yamantombazane ethu under 20 banyana bawinile namuhla, bawina 4-0, badefisa eSwatini bomakhelwane bethu. I-game uyibone njani umthana?
Yeah, well, ngibingelela balaleli nababukeli if bakhona. Yeah, yona ngibonile le game but bona beba defender. But anyway, bawinile, but next time they have to push up until they get the goals.
Le ndlela labadlale ngayo wena mphathi namuhla kuwentative njani ngakubukela ibhola bathini ibhola uyibone njani namuhla and lokhu kuyigcugcutela njani intsha yethu yamantombazane ukuthi bachubeke badlale?
Yeah, that's a good thing. Kahle vele kufuneka sichuba abantwana ukuthi at least badlala ibhola kodwa khona kuphepha kuletinto letingasi right.
Sina two abadlali labasuka la eMpumalanga to province who form part of the squad lana. Mavis naye Ngosi namuhla lebenze they featured in today's game. Udiva njani ngaloko ukuthi we have two players who formed part of the national team and they got their run?
Yeah, no, ngiyabajabulela vele. I wish vele ukuthi bachubeke bathumisele badlale vele up until bafuna vele badlale ngathi ngababona abroad.
Sibonge kakhulu ngibaba Mighty nayo. Knowledge valelisa boy.
Bengitobonga ukuthi badlale kahle labadlali bema under 20 emantombazane. Cece ngibonga ukuthi bawine 4-0.
Boy.
Cece ngibonga ukuthi badlale kahle futhi beba defender na goalkeeper uthole clean sheet. Ngiyabonga.
Knowledge lo emadoda baba knowledge baba Mighty times 2 ikhombo la. Ngibonge kakhulu nangoke knowledge sibonge mfana.
Thank you.
Sibonge Mr.